Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the biometric reader is powered and physically connected to the PC. This is critical because no software works without a stable link. Install or update the manufacturer driver. The driver tells the OS how to talk to the sensor. Once done, open Device Manager or System Settings to check the device appears under USB or biometric entries. If it does not appear, try a different port and confirm the cable supports data, not just charging. You now install the vendor application or use the built-in enrollment like Windows Hello. This handles templates and security storage. Grant necessary permissions and create a strong PIN as a fallback. The PIN protects biometric keys on the PC. Enroll fingerprint or face by following on-screen guidance, moving finger or face slowly to capture multiple angles. Once finished, check account sign-in options to enable biometrics and test by locking the screen and signing back in to verify the flow. You finish by validating consistent access. Lock and unlock the PC several times to confirm reliability, because intermittent recognition signals configuration or sensor issues. If accuracy is poor, remove the entry and re-enroll with different angles or lighting. Biometrics improve with varied captures. Once done, keep drivers and firmware current and enable fallback PIN or password. If the sensor never appears or fails repeatedly, make sure the cable and port work. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.